Welcome! Today, we're going to talk about keeping your Chrome browsing experience safe and secure with some top tips. Let's dive right in. Chrome comes packed with many powerful security features. I recommend enabling safe browsing by doing the following. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then Settings. Then Privacy and Security. And navigate to Security. Make sure safe browsing is turned on, with Enhanced Protection selected. This feature helps protect you from phishing and malware sites, and is a highly recommended setting that you enable. Next, it's always a good idea to ensure your Chrome browser is kept up to date. Simply click on About Chrome on the left-hand side, and confirm that your Chrome is up to date. If there is a button that says Relaunch, then click this to complete any pending updates. Next up, let's talk about managing cookies and site data. Head over to Chrome Settings. Then Privacy and Security. And click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Here, you can choose to block third-party cookies, or even block all cookies for stricter privacy control. Please note that some websites may not work correctly if you choose to block all cookies. Moving on, you should take control over the ads that are shown to you in Chrome. First, head over to Settings. Then Privacy and Security. Then Ads Privacy. I highly recommend you disable ad topics, site suggested ads, and ads measurement. Google will try to tailor the ads you see based on your history and search behavior, so disabling these increases your browsing privacy. Another great way to enhance your browsing experience is by using privacy-focused extensions like uBlock Origin. This extension will block ads, viruses, and other unwanted content on web pages. To install this extension, simply open Settings and click on Extensions. From there, a new tab will open, and you will need to click on Discover More Extensions and Themes on the Chrome Web Store, which can be found on the left-hand side. In the search bar, type uBlock Origin. Then, click on Add to Chrome. Then add extension. The extension is now added to Chrome, and you can manage uBlock from the extensions icon in the top right of the screen. Security doesn't stop at the browser level. You can enhance it further by using a secure DNS server. In Chrome Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security. Then Security, and select Encrypt the names of sites that you visit to use secure DNS. Choose a reputable provider from the list like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS for added security. Alternatively, you can choose to add a custom DNS provider. I personally like to use Quad9, which is a privacy-focused DNS provider. If you want to use Quad9 too, enter the URL displayed on the screen to use Quad9's secure DNS service. I will also link a previous video about Quad9 and secure DNS, if you are interested in learning more about this. Next, take control of your browsing experience by managing site permissions. In Chrome Settings, head to Privacy and Security. Then Site Settings. Here, you can review and manage permissions for camera, microphone, notifications, and even more on a per-site basis. When you want to browse privately without leaving a trace, make sure to use Chrome's Incognito mode. This mode will not track data and does not store your browsing session to the browser history. Simply click the three dots at the top right of Chrome and select New Incognito window. It won't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data. And there you have it, folks. Some essential tips to keep your Chrome browsing experience safe and secure. Remember to stay vigilant and prioritize your online security. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay secure.